We offer two solutions to implement a bee lawn. So we have what we call our rapid bee lawn installation, and we have our moderate transition to bee lawn. The rapid installation is where we remove the existing turf and start all over. So we'll start by all in one visit removing the turf, aerating, seeding, composting, seeding a second time on top of that layer of compost, and then adding a layer of blanket, seed blanket that the seeds all grow up through, and we provide watering directions. You'll need to water for a month to 3 months in order to get that established. Once it's about 3 inches tall, the bee lawn really doesn't need any more water after that. And since we've built that with compost in the beginning, that bee lawn is just going to keep going perpetually and thrive. Really doesn't need much maintenance after that. Our moderate transition method is where we aerate and overseed 3 times per year for 3 years. We can also add organic fertilizer. The benefit of doing it this way is it's a lower cost method. With the moderate transition method, we still might see some mowing that needs to occur once or twice a year because we haven't removed that existing turf that was there to begin with. So we offer clients the choice so that they can determine which is going to fit better. Do they want to go with the instant no-mow lawn, or do they want to take their time into this transition and still see many of the benefits of a bee lawn, including no irrigation, no fertilization needed, and being a safe place for kids and pets and pollinators all at the same time.